Hi everyone, my name is Yap Chee Chuan, and this is my individual reflection video for this project titled Smart Water Monitoring System and Rural Management Company. And in this version, I will share my personal rule and conclusion and reflect on the theme diversity and decision making, discuss the personal value I learned, and finally, one area for improvement that I will apply in the future teamwork. This project focuses on designing a smart water monitoring system intended for a rural management community. The main purpose on the system is to provide a low-cost, simple, and practical solution to monitor basic water quality parameter, especially in areas with limited infrastructure and technical support. This was a team-based engineering project when we not only applied technical knowledge but also practical project management, teamwork, ethical decision making, and sustainability as never under real-world contract such as time and project. In this project, my role is a design engineer. My main responsibility include design overlay system concept, so that sustainable sensors and electronic component to ensuring the design meet the project requirement. I also worked closely with the project leader to align the system design with the project scope and with the deployment engineer to ensure that the project could be executed and tested smoothly. This role required me to consistent not only technical performance but also cost, usability, and long-term sustainability. One of my key contributions was focusing on low cost but reliability component solution, instead of choosing high-end sensor. I selected modern price components but still provided sustainability assuring for and monitoring purpose. This was important to ensure affordability for rural users. I also embraced a simple and user-friendly system design, approving unnecessary compliance so that users was limited technical knowledge could operate and maintain the system. In addition, I assured that the design decision was aligned with the project budget and timeline, help the team approve delay and cost overrun. During the design process, several challenges were encountered. One major challenge was the trade-off between cost and accuracy. Higher accuracy often means higher cost, if contrasted with our goal of affordability. Another challenge was balancing simplicity versus system performance. And Robson future code improve performance that will reduce usability and subsidiarity. We also faced the time and resource limitation, which required us to provide access system function over all these next audition futures. These challenges helps us me understand the confusion of real-world engineering design. Our team consists of 4 engineering students with different cultural background and communication style. Another all the members were from the same engineering discipline. We discussed in how we expand the idea, implement problem, and make decision. At the beginning, there's different start time, so the discussion, especially when operation of fraud. However, our time we learn to manage there's different menu, respect, and inclusion communication. One of most important lesson I learned from this the project is the importance of ethical responsibility in engineering. We have to ensure that our design was affordable, safe, and inclusive of rural users. Designing a system that users cannot afford or maintain would be unethical. Sustainability was also a system consideration. We studied a low energy low component to reduce environmental impact and support long-term users. For professionally, this project strongly my senses of responsibility and social awareness. I learned that engineer must consider how that decision affect people and community that don't just technical outcome. This really have a positive impact on our decision making process. For example, I focus mainly on technical feasibility and system performance, and our team member ensuring usability and community need. This learn to more balanced decision when technical solution was ensured not only based on performance but also on social and economic impact. Another discussion sometimes took longer. Decision helping improve problem solving quality and reduce best decision. This project implement multiple conflicting requirements such as limited time, budget construction, ethical responsibility, and technical feasibility. To manage this conflicting, we use several project management tools, including the work breakdown session, GetSet, and RACI metric. That's two healthy responsibility, manage scheduling, and require misunderstand via the team. Through this experience, I learned how to project management to help ethical and effective engineering ethics. One area I would like to improve in future teamwork is my communication style during discussion. At times, I found I focus too much on technical detail. We could slow down decision making or make the discussion less accessibility to another team member. In the future, I aim to communicate my ideas more clearly and more easy to understand, and assume improve from quarter member. It will help to improve teamwork efficiently and productivity. In conclusion, this project was valuable learning experience to expand my understanding of engineering design, teamwork, and diversity and ethic. As the design engineer, I learning the effective engineering solution must balance technical performance with social responsibility and sustainability. Working a team taught me the importance of communication, respect, and collaboration. Overall, that this experience has prepared me well of real world engineering environment. Thank you.